Hey, what's up coin hunters, and welcome to another £5 in £2 coins with me, Richie. Right, let's see if we can find any territories or anything shiny enough to go into the album. How nicely they've all lined up for me, almost. Have you lined up nicely for me? There we go. Right, so I hope everyone is doing good and you're all finding some cool stuff in your change or your coin hunts. 3, 4, 1, sorry, 1, 2, 3. No, I was just trying to work out which 70s I need. I should really write it down, but you know I'm not going to. The guy who doesn't do his homework when it comes to coins and just jumps in with coins and notes without looking them up first. I think that's half the fun, to be honest. Not knowing what you're gonna find, learning, especially learning from you guys, which, when it comes to the international coins, which ones I've got wrong and all of that. I do appreciate when people tell me I'm wrong, and yeah, there's nothing in there when it comes to territories. So the only thing really, if you're going to do a 2p coin hunt, you can do them for is you could either save for the copper, and the way you do, easiest way to do that is just get a magnet, run it over, and obviously the copper ones wouldn't stick. I think more people will probably be doing that because of the threat of them not being in circulation soon. So I don't know if people are going to start putting the copper ones to the side and just copper stacking basically. I know a lot of people have mentioned in the past that they already do it. What year is that one? It's a 94. They copper stack. They will go to the bank, get a bag of £20 and then just stack their coppers. So it's only the ones obviously that don't stick to your, like, what is it, what's that one? That's a 71, so that's going to be copper. And I think copper value for that would be about £3, maybe £4. But if you look at, that's a good example there. So we've got this proper beaten up one. Now you can see it's all scuffed, but if you look, there's a silver shine over here. So we know that's not a copper coin. So I don't know what happened to it. It seems to have been quite a while ago. It's got caught in somewhere. Yeah, so we know that's not copper. So what's that, an 88 there? So I got sidetracked by looking at a date. But yeah, that's what some people do. They go get the 2p. I think the 2p are 3 to 4 pence in copper value each. So you stack enough of it, and if they do go out of circulation, then you're at least getting 50% yield when you take it to the scrapyard or melt it down. I have actually heard of people who take old big round copper pennies to the scrapyard, and I want to go to one and just, like, I might phone a couple and just ask them if they've got, like, anyone handing old copper pennies, and ask them if I can dig through them. I think that'll be an interesting video. So I think when the weather gets warmer and less unpredictable, I'll probably do that, and hopefully there'll be a scrapyard or metal merchant that will allow me to do it, which will be pretty cool. Like, someone's cleaned that one. It's a 71. Somehow someone's cleaned that. and messed it up. Right, we don't have any territories in this batch, I don't think. No, in this bag there was no territories. Alright, next one. Oh, we've got some nice shiny ones in here. Probably all going to be 15s, 16s maybe. Yep, that's a 15. A few shiny ones here which are both 15s. Looking for 2013. I've got a feeling it was probably not put out into circulation, because I've not seen one, or I don't remember seeing one. And I check every coin that I get, especially in my change, because you never know what you're going to get when it comes to coinage. There's a nice 2707 there. 15, no. No. Sorry about that, guys. My tablet was actually, battery was dying, so I quickly had to stop and get the plug for it and plug it in. Right, so I can't remember what I was talking about. That's not a new tattoo, that's just I went to the bank today to drop off some stuff. So I had to write on my arm what it was. Oh, there's a 2013. Put that there. So they do exist. I just haven't noticed them. Alright, come on. Can we get a territory? If I'm not too fussed. We got 2013, which we needed. For some reason, when I do 2 pences, I always get an itchy nose. I think the dust of it or something that comes up probably irritates me. So no territory in this £5 at the moment. Now we do have finally a 2013. I probably had loads and just never noticed. But nope. You can just spread these and flip all these. What's that? That's what year is that? That's an 80. So we're going to put that 13 into the book. Let's just grab the folder. There we go. All the way to the back page. So I never actually noticed we needed a 13. Got up to 16. Haven't seen a 17. And this one down here is just a 14 with a faded 4. Right, let's throw this 13 up here. And there we go. Down you go. Right, so there we go. We are all up to date from, we have every single 2 pence from 1985 to 16 now. These ones, these 6 I think, are sets only. I think. Alright guys, so thank you very much for taking the time to watch my video. If you've not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and become a new member of the UK Coin Hunter family. And thank you again for taking the time to watch my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. So take care guys, and happy coin hunting. Goodbye.